We're known primarily as architects who deliver very high-quality art spaces for the display and exhibition of art.
Amasis Technologies is one company that offers services and solutions for building and industry automation.
What my firm does is mostly about city master planning and conceptual planning.
My sense is that you have to remain as a professional very open to change, and that comes in the form of how you work, who you work with, where you work, and I think also obviously the technology you use.
We are required to offer new solutions all the time and to be in the last step of the new technology always.
I can't do this kind of job without any technology.
The Designjet T520 is a gorgeous piece of industrial design, but it also has a sort of level of tactility and ease of interface that are just beautiful.
When we compare the T520 with the previous printers that we have, it's a new amazing functionality.
What's impressive to me is not the Designjet T520's ability to produce color, which is what you would think an inkjet could do. It's actually to produce really crisp black lines, which is very important to architects because, you know, a line has all sorts of different meanings, how thick it is, how thin it is, if it's dashed. So to get that kind of range of definition from an inkjet is unprecedented for us.
在打印机的这一方面上，打印方面上，它的优势就是速度上，在能够跟得上我们的工作进程。
Have printers connected via Wi-Fi reduce a lot the efforts of configuration, administration of all our networks. And it's very easy to connect to our printer, print all the documentation, and we have it without to introduce someone more in our network.
We used to send everything out to a reprographics company, which is painful because you've got to prepare your files and then upload them to their FTP site. With the Designjet T520, we'll print it, I'll notice if something's wrong, we'll mark it, fix the file, reprint, gone.
And naturally in one small office with 12 people inside, the sound of the printer is very quiet. Sometimes you have to stand up to see I'm printing and it's already finished the job. It's fantastic. For us, the most important advantage that we have with the ePrint and Share and T520 is the possibility to share all the documentations that we have with our customers, with our co-workers in different places around the world, and the possibility to manage these versions directly in the printer.
I can, you know, for instance, be teaching and my staff can be in the office and we can share documents immediately and quickly through my phone.
这样的话呢，我就可以把我直接打印的一个 PDF 文件发送到专门的一个网址里面、邮箱里面，我直接发送过去，然后它就可以按照我纸张发送内容的一个大小，打印出相对来说一个幅面的一个内容。第二种方式呢，就是我在网站上直接登录我所需要那个云打印的一个网站，就可以按照我想打印的那个大小方式啊，就是打印出来，而且还是可以共享的。在打印之前，我们先做一些预览，然后检查哪些地方是错误的，哪些地方是正确的，然后打印出来的质量是如何，是怎样。这样的话，我觉得打印预览还是很有帮助的。
There should be no lost documents. There should be no use of the incorrect file. So the reason it's important is I think that there's an opportunity for us to use new technologies to produce work in other countries and in other cultures. And having immediacy to the project is nice.
I like very much the possibility to have the documents on the cloud. You can open that anywhere you are working. Only in 20 seconds I can say, okay, wait a moment, send to print. For me it's fantastic.
It's much more convenient for us to have a print in our office. I could only manage no more than one project at the same time. Now I'm doing 5 or 6 or even more. It makes the whole group more productive. We love it.
I'm really interested in continuing to blur the boundaries between life and work and between teaching and writing and building If I can find a way to make my work more like leisure, then my office is doing really well and my life is doing really well.